my life I has to fight, nigga. All's my life hard times like, yeah. Bad trips like, yeah. Nazareth, I'm fucked up, homie, you fucked up. But if God got us, then we gon' be alright, right?
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Huh? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright.
And when I wake up, I recognize you looking at me for the pay cut. Bahamas, I be looking at you from the face down. One Mac 11, even boom with the bass down. Scheming, and let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. But pretty pussy and Benjamin is the highlight. I tell my mama I love her, but this what I like, Lord knows. 20 of them in my Chevy, tell them all to come and get me. Reaping everything I sow, so my karma come in heaven. No preliminary hearings on my record. I'm a motherfucking gangster in silence for the record. Tell the world I know it's too late. Boys and girls, I think I'm going green. Trying to side my face this all day. Won't you please believe when I say, when you know we've been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate po-po when the killer's dead in the street for sure. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright, right?
Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright.
I was just making sure you were still there. I know. Holy fucking shit, that's it. Whoa there, buddy. Thank you.
Have a fun ride.
Holy shit. Oh, fuck no. I got that on video. No more wheelies for the boy. Oh. Alright. Oh, what the fuck? Alright. Oh, my ass is wet. Yeah. Holy shit. I wonder if he'll wait for us. Yeah. Competitive racing and keeping up with us and stuff. Should be fun. What's a mile an hour, like top mile an hour on it? I guess. Let's find out.
It's time.
Oh, it's not doing it now. Alright, see ya. Yeah. Probably.
Heat and grips were working, so I was toasty the whole way.
Oh, it's
This is so fucking stupid. Before I got a tailwind.
I don't think so.
Dang it, we're gonna get pulled over, bro. You gotta have faith in the system, my boy.
These people right here are gonna be like, what the fuck is he doing?
You gotta have faith in the system.
Driveway.
God, turn the... Yeah, have faith in the system. Is he looking, bro? Yes, of course he's fucking looking.
Soft Devin.
Oh my.
Yes.
She's
back
confused,
in the
bro.
There's no way. There's no way.
How teenagers go in front of us, bro? That'd be hilarious.
He's backing through a drive-through illegal.
Jack.
Bro. What do you mean?
Hey, what do y'all want? Ice cream cone. Ice cream and Sprite?
Nothing, nothing.
You said
Just an ice cream?
Hi, will you be doing my wash today?
No.
Just say your order.
Alright, can I get one ice cream cone, please?
I do?
What?
That's it.
Yeah?
No, that's it.
You just go for it, please. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Pull backwards.
The car, I mean, it's just rear wheel drive, so.
He has dyslexia. No, my brother just has dyslexia.
Is this not how you go through the drive-thru?
He just got his license, so I don't think he knows how to go.
We're low on gas. We're trying to back up to like rewind the tank.
Do you think that's actually going to save yourself some gas?
I'm really hoping for it.
Wait, real talk. Has anyone ever done this while you're working?
Really. No, and I've been here for 3 years.
Uh,
Oh, you guys are a first for me. That's why I was like, okay.
It makes it interesting. Makes it interesting.
It does. At least
Exactly.
you know how to back up. I know that much.
Exactly.
Yeah, you too.
You too.
Devin,
We're about to be out of gas.
How much she look?
She looked. Alright.
Oh.
Impressive. Okay, you had the cone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Impressive.
Alrighty, guys.
Yeah.
Have a great
He's
day.
got
Yeah, you too.
dyslexia.
He's got dyslexia. We're
Yeah,
sorry.
I'm sorry. I got confused by the directional
I
signs. My
understand,
bad.
Clearly.
Yeah, thank you.
it's
like,
This
watch
cone
your
is
mirror.
so
Watch
good.
your mirror.
Devin, your mirror's fucking close.
oh my boy. Oh my boy.
Oh! Hey, you're close to this railing too, Devin.
Oh my boy. It's gonna be taut. It's gonna be taut on the
Devin!
You're gonna have the talent on this one.
Devin,
This could be bad.
you're chilling. You're chilling.
You're chilling.
You got it. You fucking got it.
Oh, you're on the curb. Just take it.
We're driving into McDonald's. Bro. Yeah, that got a little sketchy towards the end.
We need to get gas, bro.
I want to talk to these kids so bad,
Nah,
bro.
bro, we gotta go, my boy. We need to get the windows down. Turn the child lock on.
He's gonna.
Oh my God, TJ, what did you do?
She's explaining something. She got yelled at.
Oh, shit.
Look, he's hitting that shit. He's hitting that shit.
Dude, that's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
What are you gonna do about it, pussy?
Who's taller, bitch?
Get out! Get out!
There's more than one. There's more
Bro,
than, there's more
we
kids
gotta
on
get
it.
a cake.
Let's get some cake,
TJ,
bro.
you gotta hit that.
There's tons of cake here.
There's 5 delinquents by the bakery aisle.
Dude, I'm good at
Remove
justice
them!
too.
Remove them! Dead or alive!
Am I good at one justice?
Yeah, let's see it. Let's do it again. Oh.
He already subjected himself
How much are those?
Number 6.
Oh.
Bend over, pussy.
Look on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Whoa there! Oh shit!
Yeah. Alright. Alright, yeah, let's get going. Oh. How they get in, bro? Oh my god.
Can you do that again? That's fine. He'll probably see it.
That right there is almost, that right there is convincing me of not stretching.
It's going a little slow. What the fuck is he doing? We saw that.
I forget he's bigger, so a wheelie's easier.
Yeah.
Forget he's bigger. He's got
Fender.
Yeah, that's why I don't have it
Oh man,
anymore.
let me get a good flyby shot.
Alright.
Especially pull.
No, it's way better.
You almost got away from me there. God damn, this is fucking scary, bro.
Now guess.
Liam.
No.
What? Liam.
No.
Liam. Liam. That's TJ.
No.
Definitely.
Yes.
What you doing, Daniel?
What?
I look stupid.
No, you don't. You look great.
Especially on the street. Feeling this
Okay.
Daniel, she's a little floppy.
It's so loud.
Yeah. No.
Alright. Devin, you want to rip mine or your arm's hurting?
It's so slow. Let me rip this truck.
Dude, I'm gonna get sprayed my mud on this turn, bro. Bro, what happened to the order here?
Full throttle.
What happened? Oh shit! He wrecked my shit! Hey, get it up! My filter, bro! Bro, my filter was just fucking crushed! You can see it in the ground, bro!
That just freaks.
Dang, she gave me. You got moved.
They always ride them, bro.
Oh my god, Bubba back there would be so nice. Dude, I know.
You need to get it. That was like during spring break.
Yeah. Oh shit. What the fuck happened? There's no way his chain fell off already. It's not on the front. Bumpy, but yeah, I want to. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh. Nah. Oh shit! Yeah. Damn. Oh. Alright, see ya. Oh, that's a bitch move. Fuck off. You're a faggot. Holy shit.
Hey, you think that helps if I hold it and rev it when it goes or not?
Hey, Mike.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Just fucking pushing it.
That turn fucked me over there.
Oh.
Yeah,
2305. Yeah, alright. Okay. Alright.
Here, I'll do mine. There you go, right there.
3, 2, 1, go. I might beat him. I beat him. What was mine? 2250?
Yeah.
Yeah,
What did you get? 24?
2448, dude.
Shit.
That was bad.
Mine was faster than
Yeah,
mine.
2448, bro.
I can't keep my foot on the pegs.
Oh, oh, what the fuck? Hold on. What the fuck? Oh shit.
Good?
My throttle was stuck at full, bro. Alright, it should be good. There was a stick jammed in here. There's a stick jammed in here and it pulled the throttle cable.
Is it fucked up?
No, it's good now.
Watch out.
Alright. Oh shit. Damn. That way.
I don't talk about it, be about it. Every day I sequel. If I got it, then you know you got it. Heaven, I can reach you. Pet dog, my dog, that's all. Big back and chat, I trap the back for y'all. I rap, I black on tracks, so rest assured. My rights, my wrongs, I right till I'm right with God. When you know, we been hurt, been down before. Nigga, when our pride was low, looking at the world like, where do we go? Nigga, and we hate poor, wanna kill us dead in the street for sure. Nigga, I'm at the preacher's door. My knees getting weak and my gun might blow, but we gon' be alright.
Nigga, we gon'